Hey Diamonds and Gems, it's your girl Sadia. Now, I wanted to come to you guys today because I want to celebrate. I want to celebrate two things. One of those things is you. Yes, you. And I'm also in that celebrating you. I'm feeling the spirit of giving today. So, and I will come back to that. Another thing that I want to celebrate is last September, and I'm going to finish getting ready here. But last September, I got a call, and it was to work with the producers for a show on Netflix. It's called Say I Do. And I'm also in it's Say I Do, episode 4. Go check it out. You'll see me. I'm in it. Hey. Okay, look. Okay, so let me tell you guys. I am so excited to even say that my work was on Netflix. But I really want to be transparent about that moment in time that I was having. So last September, it was so odd when I got the call to even be a makeup for this. And at first, I didn't believe it. So I was Googling, who was reaching out to me and seeing if this was truly legit. Because, I ain't want to be catfish. People be catfish. I ain't want to be catfish. So I look up the people and I realize it's legit. And then I start to get nervous because at this point in my career, I guess you can say, I was in my business. For those of you all who don't know, in my business, I'm a makeup artist as well as I'm a lash artist. So my lash business, y'all, the lash business was doing awesome. Okay. My makeup business, not so much. So I was, looking around at all the amazing artists that we have here in Cincinnati. And I was realizing well, maybe my style is different. Maybe I need to change some things. Maybe I need to change my business name because, I am cited makeup artist and I'm not booking like I once did. So it bothered me, you guys. So, I went into this, unsure and a little uncomfortable about me and my artistry. So when I got there, a highlight of me being a part of this Netflix series was I was able to work with Johnny Wright. Now let me tell you who Johnny Wright is. Johnny Wright was the hairstylist for First Lady Michelle Obama. He did her hair for the entire 8 years while she was in the White House. Now, if that is not flipping intimidating, I don't know what is, but it was exciting and I'm like, whoa, I get to work with him, and he's worked with countless other celebrities. So I get to work with him and I'm working with people who are at the height of their career, whether it's celebrity chef, designer, people even behind the cameras. I mean, those people, they were somebody. So I'm in this room, I'm feeling unsure. I feel like I'm in a room of giants. And I will say, when they first reached out to me they called me and they emailed me, I wanted to ask them so how did you find me? But I was afraid to ask that because I didn't want them to, say, well, we're going to find somebody else. I was scared to ask that. So I didn't ask them why did they call me. But the entire time I was on set that particular day, I was wondering, why did they choose me? So, y'all, I'm messing up this lip, y'all. Why did I decide to tell the story and do my lip? I'm probably about to eat this crayon, but anyway. So I was on set, and once we got a quiet moment on set, because literally the set is so busy with the people behind the cameras, whether Johnny doing hair, me doing makeup. And when it was quiet, Johnny looks at me and says, I chose you because I like your style of makeup artistry. Y'all, I just looked at him because I was feeling unsure. I was feeling like maybe I need to take makeup artistry off my service list. And to hear the very thing that I was unsure about, the very thing that made me different, also made me stand out. So that was a huge lesson for me. And though, looking back on this whole, I probably look like I got half a mustache, but y'all gonna have to deal with me. You're just gonna have to deal with me because I need to tell y'all this as I get ready. So when I look back at this Netflix series, and although it was so exciting, and then in that moment of time I felt so not enough, I had to look back on everything that I had been through that led me to this moment. I've been a lover of makeup. I'm almost afraid to tell y'all. It's almost 2 decades that I've been a lover of makeup. But professionally, I've been a makeup artist since 2010, which is 10 years now. And when I tell you I've done makeup in a car, I've done makeup on the run, I've done makeup in dark rooms, I've done makeup. I started this business. Let me tell y'all, I started this business broke. I had a borrowed makeup kit. I had to borrow from my best friend. I still owe you, April, and one day I'm gonna pay you back. Not today though, but one day I'll pay you back. Anyway, but I started this business with a borrowed makeup kit, and with me even having that borrowed makeup kit, it still wasn't enough. I was pushing my coins together to get what I could afford. Y'all, I had products. I had to learn how to make things work. I had to learn how to create beautiful canvases with what I had. So when I look back and as I'm celebrating this moment of Netflix, y'all, I'm realizing that I'm not just celebrating that I was on Netflix, but I'm celebrating everything that I've overcome, everything that I've been able to do that led me to this moment. And it also helps me realize that, hey, y'all, I earned this. This just wasn't overnight. I've earned this. And I'm pretty sure, those people who I was in the room with, those giants, they probably got their stories of how they made it over. But I really, really want to say that my biggest takeaway from this is the very thing that made me stand out. No, the very thing that made me feel different as myself as an artist, that I didn't fit in, was the very thing that made me stand out, y'all. Y'all, hold on. Because if I don't do this part, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it if I don't do it. So at the beginning of this video, I was telling you guys another thing that I want to celebrate is you. Yes, you. Now, y'all, look, I'm trying not to be too hyped, but y'all, hold on, wait. I'm so hyped. I'm trying not to cheese y'all, but look, we finally made it to 1,000 subscribers. Woo! 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 Can I do a little jig? Hold on, wait, sorry. I can't dance too much, y'all. I got a dress on today. I was trying to be cute. But anyway, y'all, 1,000 subscribers. Y'all, look. I know that may not sound like much, but y'all, I've been on YouTube now for years, y'all. I was hanging in the 300s, you know what I'm saying? And finally, we have hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Now, let me tell you guys, I thank you all for the new people who came because you are followers of Be Love. And thank you, Be Love, again for sitting down on my channel. And thank you all for not just watching that video, but staying with me. So I just want to say thank you. And also, look, I've been doing this for a while, y'all. And when I tell you I absolutely love YouTube, but I am 60 videos in. You can go back and look at my catalog. I have a Feel Beautiful series you can check out. Sadi the Makeup Season 1, Season 2, Season 3. So I definitely have content that you can look at. I'm looking forward to bringing you more. I thank you all for being a part of this community, this space. There is power in number and it is power in community. And y'all, when I tell you I'm so grateful, not just again for this 1,000 plus, but I'm thankful for everything that led up to it. Y'all, I remember I was doing humble beginnings, y'all. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I remember one of my first videos, I was doing it I put my phone in my medicine cabinet. And that's how I started YouTube. And then, just things over time grew. So again, it's not just about celebrating the number. It's about celebrating everything that came and everything that brought me, us to this moment. So, y'all, I ain't gonna never finish this lip, y'all. Why I decided to do this lip? I want to tell you what I want to do for you. Give me one second, so I won't be looking crazy the whole video. Y'all, I'm trying to do a little ombre lip. I should have put some lip gloss on while I'm trying to get something away. So, how that look? Put some gloss on it because it's not gonna be perfect, but I need to do something. I needed a little bit. So now I was telling y'all I was feeling like I was having a giving spirit. So what I want to do, hold on, y'all, I'm coming, y'all. Look. So what I want to do, I want to give somebody, not everybody, because my budget, I'm still balling on budget. I want to give away a $50 Sephora gift card. Now, this is how you enter. You have to be subscribed to this channel. 2, you have to like this video. Please like the video. And then 3rd, I want you to comment below what is your favorite makeup item that you cannot live without. Now, let me correct that. Not makeup item. What is your favorite beauty product that you cannot live without? I don't care if it's in your pocket or in your makeup bag. I don't care if it's your chapstick, lipstick, highlighter stick, perfume. What is it that you cannot walk out the house with? And I want you to comment below. And guess what? That's all you need to do to get in on this giveaway. There is no purchase necessary to get in. It's just me simply saying thank you. I want to give you something. Comment below what's your favorite beauty item. So again, y'all, sorry. Look, I'm being fast today. I'm sorry wearing this dress. I'm trying to be modest and I'm talking to y'all. My stuff is falling apart, but whatever. So I just want you all, okay, I told y'all about the giveaway. Now, the deadline for this giveaway is July the 24th, 2020. And yeah, and I'm gonna just draw a name. I'm gonna collect the names, draw the names, and that's it. And that's all. So again, I want to thank you all. I'm gonna finish doing my makeup so I'm not doing nothing but going on the back porch, but I want to thank you all for your support. Thank you all for the new people who have come, and I can't wait to bring you more content, great content. And y'all, I'm out. I gotta finish getting ready. All right, diamonds. Deuces. Okay, y'all, I lied. I thought I was done, but I'm not done. So if you need any ideas, now I know I said I was giving away the $50 Sephora gift card. If you are an eyeshadow lover, y'all, I just did a video with Pat McGraw featuring one of her eyeshadow palettes. They have it at Sephora. Once you're done with this video, go check out the other video. I will link it here. Make sure you check out the video. Look, the video, y'all, you know what I'm trying to say. Just go look at the video. All right, y'all. Now, for real, I'm gone. I know it wasn't even a shameless plug. It's just me. I'm asking you, please go check out that video. And that's it. That's all. I'm really gone this time. Deuces. You like my face? I couldn't finish it. I was talking to y'all. Couldn't finish it, but